Hey everybody, it's David with Lunar Beaches Crypto. I just wanted to go over a trade setup that I had found last night. I did not get to participate in this setup because it happened during the overnight hours when I'm asleep. But it still played out exactly as I would have hoped, and this is how I found it. Now, if you look over here, this is the Stellar XLM chart, 5-minute KuCoin. This vertical line here, this dotted vertical line here is about where I set the trade. Or not set the trade, but set the setup. Saw the setup. So the setup essentially this. So we have this top off, right? And we come down, we take down these lows here, okay? Now, what I'm always looking for is liquidity, and where liquidity usually resides is where you can find double tops, interval double tops, also known as equal highs or equal lows. So I placed a line on the equal high, a line on the equal low. The goal for this setup is for one to get taken out and to ride the wave down to the other side. Whichever one hits first, I'm gonna take the trade in the opposite direction, because I'm going from one pool of liquidity to another pool of liquidity. Now, why would there be a pool of liquidity at these equal highs and equal lows? Well, that's because that is where people are likely to put their stop losses, because they view that as support or resistance. So retail, you and me, most traders are going to see that, and they're going to say, okay, that's a level of resistance. I can short from here. What typically happens, they go short from here, and then the market will spike up, take out their stop loss, and then rip back down. Or they will come down and take out the long stops and then rip to the upside. And what do we have overnight? We had exactly that. We had a rip down, taking out the equal lows. Now we took out the equal lows here first, and then there's a little equal low right here that we also took out. And you can see that's exactly where it got a bounce from right here, which created another set of equal lows here. So you could have anticipated another drop to take out those other equal lows and then ride that thing up to the upside. And on that move right there, if you just got in from the bottom line to the top line, that's a 3.4% move. On 10x leverage, that's a 34% move, right? Wait, 10x, yeah. 10x is a 34% move. 20x, 68% move. So, if you're smart with your leverage trading and you know what you're doing, you can do that. It's not financial advice. Know what you're doing. Know your risk tolerance. Know your risk to reward. Understand all of that. Understand your probabilities. Set your stop losses properly. And, make some money and ride the waves. And so that is one simple setup that you can utilize just in your trading in general. Just try to look for equal highs and equal lows. You can find this again and again and again. Now this is a bunch of equal highs right here, and I'm just going to do some free form real quick before I got to get to work. I'm just sitting in the work parking lot waiting for time to go in. Now we have those equal highs there, and then look, we popped up and we come down. We pop up again and then we come down. Now this would be my target if we pop up here, right? If we pop up here and I'm trying to find where I want to come out at, it's going to be right here. It's going to be at these equal lows down here, and then start the whole process over again. So this can be done several different ways. We got some equal lows down here, right here, and you can see those get taken out. This one obviously kept going down, but eventually found its way back up to these equal highs up here. So it's all about finding the liquidity voids and anticipating the moves towards those liquidity voids in an effort, because you anticipate that it's going to attack. This is a raid. You can tell this is a liquidity raid because of how it's coming down and then coming up like that. That's a liquidity raid to get that move back up to the upside, right? So that's what they did. And then, of course, rip price down, take out anybody that went long here, and then anybody that was still long here. I'm not going to do any future outlook from here. I need more price action to develop. But right now we still have these equal highs up here. Now we have equal highs up here that can be taken out. So that's what I'll be watching today. I don't see anything. Maybe these equal lows right there, right here. Those might get taken out before we move to the upside, or we come and take this out, eat into this wick right here, and then swing back down. So keep your head on a swivel. Just know what you're looking for in the market. Try to predict as much as possible. And yeah, I hope you have a good day. I love you all. Peace out. Wad? Like and subscribe and ride those waves. Later.